What's up everyone, Alan Morrow here and welcome to this video. Today I want to go over something that I see a lot of people stressing about, and that is that they don't feel that they can get the same sound by not having the same plugins, whether that's delays or reverbs and stuff like that. And today I just want to show you something in terms of that and try and shift your concentration from having the exact same delay or same settings or same reverb settings, and try to concentrate on the desired effect that producer or whatever it is, the tutorial that you're watching they're trying to achieve. So it's the desired effect that you want to be concentrating on. Now, for example, what I've just done here is I've just thrown in a pluck from my pluck bank, and I've got a pluck from the sound bank as well. This is from the MIDI pack, and just a sub pad here just to fill it out a little bit. And all I've done is I've duplicated the channel 3 times. Same pluck. I've taken any delay, reverbs and stuff like that off the pluck itself. So in here, so if I just take off these delay and reverbs, it's just a simple dry pluck, and I've duplicated each channel. And if I turn these off as well, you hear this. The only difference is that it's slightly changed the levels a little bit, so they're, after the effects are on them, they're a little bit more even across the board. So you can see what I'm going for. So again, same, just dry pluck, and again turn these off. Nice. So it's just a dry pluck. So what I wanted to show you today is that you don't need the same plugins, and you don't need the exact same settings as well. For a start, you obviously want to become your own producer, and you're going to have different sounds, you're going to have different patterns and stuff like that. So try not to concentrate too much on those exact same settings. And what I've done today here is I want to show you, so I've got a delay and a reverb on each of these channels, and they're all different delays. So I've got a stereo delay on this one, and also a silver verb on this one. And on this one, I've got the delay designer and a totally different reverb again. And then again on this one, tape delay and an Arts acoustic reverb. So this is a paid one. The others are built-in, Logic stock plugins. I was going to do this in Ableton, but I was having some issues with the tempo. So just to show you as well, that it doesn't really matter what DAW you're using as well, but I just want to show you this sound here. So we've got this one playing with the delay and the reverb on. Now, with this dry pluck, what I want to do is my desired effect is I want to add a bit more movement by using the delay, and then I want to add the reverb on for atmosphere. So when I talk about the desired effect, that is what I'm going for. I want to have delay and reverb to create more movement and atmosphere. And so I've done it with this. And I've done a completely different delay settings and reverb settings on this one. And again on this one. Now, if I show you these all together, you're going to hear that there isn't a massive amount of difference in them. Obviously, they're going to have slightly different characteristics and stuff like that, but you kind of want that anyway. Every track is going to always be different, but I'm just trying to show you that you can get a similar sound across the board. So if I play these from the start, so you can hear from that obviously there is slight little differences and stuff like that, but none of these are right or wrong. Do you know what I mean? They all sound great. As I say, I've not spent loads of time putting these together. I've just tried to pick a pluck and some sounds. So obviously, before anyone thinks, oh, this doesn't sound like really professional and finished, that wasn't the point. It was trying to get similar sounds off the same pluck and sort of a bit of atmosphere from them. So you can hear that they're all obviously slightly very like different, but there is no right or wrong, which one's right or which one's wrong. It'd be nice to know actually which one in the comment section you prefer. So if you could do that, put a little comment in saying which one you prefer. But what I'm trying to get across here is not to stress so much about having the exact same plugins and settings and stuff like that, because you can get a similar sort of sound using totally different plugins and even different settings. So I hope this has sort of helped you with those sort of stresses as to having to have the same plugins and stuff. It costs you an absolute fortune trying to get the exact same plugin as someone has got in a tutorial every time you see something new. But yeah, obviously again, people also have their favorites, but try not to stress too much and let that sort of get you bogged down in terms of trying to get a similar sort of sound, because it's definitely possible with totally different plugins. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to see more tutorials like this. And also, if any of you haven't yet joined the AIM Studios production community, please check that out in the link below. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next episode.